Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E for beard growth. Apply vitamin E oil to clean skin and massage gently into the beard area for 5 minutes daily. Use a pea-sized amount and focus on follicles and skin. Combine with a healthy diet and gentle combing to distribute oil. Be consistent for several weeks and monitor skin reaction, stopping if irritation occurs, and take progress photos. Start by washing your face and beard with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Pat skin dry and inspect for irritation or cuts. Perform a patch test with a small vitamin E amount behind the ear to check sensitivity. If pure vitamin E is too viscous, mix it with jojoba or coconut oil for easier spreading. Gather a clean dropper, mirror, and comb so application is smooth and precise. Apply vitamin E after drying and warming the oil slightly between your fingertips. Use 1 to 2 drops per area and massage gently into the skin and hair for about 5 minutes to stimulate circulation. Focus on the follicles at the jawline, chin, and cheeks. Finish by combing through to evenly distribute oil and remove tangles. Repeat nightly or every other night depending on your skin's tolerance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.